The ultimate goal of the course is to help you out to learn how to speak English fluently in a job interview on your own. Also, do it in a period of time between 3 to 6 months. Although having a successful job interview in English is a great reason, there are also other very important reasons that you have to take into account. This is because we are all different. We have our own preferences, motivations, and purposes. So in this video I'm going to talk about the most important reasons to learn to speak English. Your motivation may be different, but if you don't have it yet or you don't have it clear, the following reasons are going to give you a very good idea to find a motive among your interests and goals. That motivation that will impel you to learn to speak English. As I said, there are going to be many other reasons. However, I could say that all come down to these 5. The first reason. Your income increases as well as your job opportunities. This is the most obvious fact of all and one of the most common reasons why people start learning English. If you speak English, you are thinking in the future, and that means that you are ready for the challenges of a globalized and interconnected world where English is the most important language in business. This is very attractive for companies, and the best positions are going to be for the best prepared people. So if you speak English, you will have the advantage. This is a fact. It's also worth mentioning that one of the fastest growing industries in our countries is customer service in English. In this case, I am talking about the famous call centers. If you are starting off, they are a very interesting option to get a stable job with pretty good benefits. For someone who is fluent in English, it is not difficult at all to get a job in a call center. Of course, it's not the only thing because English opens the door to many other options. The second reason. You have access to a whole new world of incredible things that you can see, hear, read, visit, and learn. When you already understand English, you can enjoy in a unique way of the best movies, music, TV shows, books, and also an incredible amount of new knowledge. You can make new friends from anywhere in the world with the help of the internet and social networks. Besides, when you're able to speak English, making new friends becomes something super interesting. It is no longer limited to people who speak only your own language. Now you have the opportunity to learn about other cultures directly from the people of those countries who will share their experiences with you. English is also the language of tourism. With English you have the perfect excuse to travel abroad, live unique experiences, and share your ideas with people from different countries. The third reason, it gives you an enormous satisfaction for being bilingual. Learning a second language is one of the most satisfying experiences in life. It gives you a feeling of pride about yourself, comparable to having reached an impossible goal. You feel great and confident to achieve any new challenge in life. And I am not exaggerating. Most people think that learning English is impossible. I was one of them. But when you understand that you are capable of learning it, your self-confidence and self-esteem increase incredibly. You say things like, "I cannot believe that I did it." Or maybe, "Wow, I didn't know that I could learn something like this." It's an amazing feeling. Something more important is that now you know you will be able to help someone that is important for you to learn English with the knowledge you have acquired. The fourth reason. You get the necessary training to learn an additional language much easier. One of the best things about learning English is that it gives you the confidence to learn an additional language sure that you can do it because you have done it. And you will realize that the process of learning a different language is something reachable for anyone. This is because when you learn your first additional language, you learn tricks, methods, shorter paths that will help you learn new words, grammar rules, and things of a different language that don't have any sense when you learn the first foreign language. This means that you develop your own method to learn, which is applicable to a third language. The fifth reason. It opens the door to world-class education. This is my favorite reason, because English is the language of science and knowledge. This is a fact around the world. The best books, researches, video courses, scientific articles, and educational content are mostly in English. A few years ago, I watched a TED Talk where the speaker said that this was a sad fact, and I agree, it is, but it is a fact. However, it is not a bad thing at all. The world needs a universal language to share knowledge. This ensures that the best education is mostly available in English, and this is the reason that I consider is fundamental for anyone who is willing to improve their life.